Hey everybody, it's Scott Hudgens with Dodd RV located in Yorktown, Virginia. Today we're looking at a brand new floor plan by Rockwood. It's a 2020 Forest River Rockwood 2205S. Single slide out, queen bed up front, bathroom in the back. It's a little larger version of their 2109S. 60 by 80 queen. You have the theater seating or the booth dinette option. If you're not interested in the theater seating and you're looking for an extra spot for sleeping, so you're looking for a booth dinette, you do have this option. So standard booth dinette, which does make into a bed. And this is the chocolate decor. So if you're looking a little bit darker fabric than that stone, this is their darker options. Or you can get the lighter stone decor in this booth dinette. But if you're looking to sleep more than two, the booth dinette is a good option. And I normally have both in stock here. Just let us know. Great new floor plan. Stone decor you'll see in this one. Let's take a look. All right, starting on the outside, you'll see you've got the automotive windshield on the front. We equipped this with the awning topper over the slide out. Power tongue jack with the light. Two large 30-pound LP bottles under the cover. Spot for two batteries. 7-way plug holder. See, we have electric stabilizer jacks, side open compartment doors with magnetic latches, super wide pass-through storage, very clean, well insulated, does have lights. You'll see frameless windows, so a little less maintenance, less caulking over time, a little cleaner look. Outside shower, you do have hot and cold. Convenience area, you have your water hookup, your black tank flush, your cable hookups, winterization. And we are looking at a 30 amp service. Sewer connection down low. Spare tire on the bumper. And Rockwood does give you the receiver attached to the frame. So you're looking at 300 pounds there that you can add a bike rack, storage rack, anything like that on the back for extra storage. Factory installed roof ladder. And you are prepped for backup camera. Step above, 3 entry step. You'll see they fold right up into the camper. Nice and clean setup. And again, shock assist so it doesn't slam down on you, and it's light enough that you can do it with one hand. Controls for the rear stabilizer jacks. You'll see the large assist handle. Full length patio awning that is electric, and you do have LED lights. Your griddle hooks here on the side, tees right off of your LP. And prep table, which is removable. You can bring the TV outside and hook it on the wall. It plugs right into your cable and 110 receptacle. Outside speakers, and you do have an exhaust vent for that range inside. Other side of that pass-through storage. Controls for your front two stabilizer jacks. And you are prepped for solar. Solar panel there will trickle charge your batteries. Going inside to the 2205S, you'll see maple cabinetry, raised panel refrigerator. Looking at the stone decor, queen walk-around bed, nice floor plan. That front windshield gives you some natural light. For this, we'll start in the back. You'll see, again, the raised panel refrigerator freezer. It is gas electric. Great pantry area. You can remove those top two shelves for extra hanging area if needed. Your bathroom, glass enclosed corner shower. You do have the shower miser water system, overhead skylight, max air fan with a cover. More storage, plenty of room around the toilet. Staying in the kitchen area, you'll see another large pantry. Your theater seating, again, stone decor. You do have removable tables, heat, massage, LED lights. Pull the handle, your legs kick out, and they do recline. And good storage area with USB plug and 110 receptacle. Directly across from the TV. TV is on a swivel arm, so you can turn it. If you're laying in bed, you can see it from there, and it makes it easier to get to these controls. Plugging it in, hooking up cable or satellite. IRV Technologies, your sound bar. You are set up to where you can sync your phone, get your app on there for IRV Technologies, control your speakers, the zones inside and out, CD, AM, FM, DVD player. Electric fireplace, it does put out heat. Little countertop extension. Good workspace area. The flush cover on your range does act as a splash guard for that window. Rockwood does a good job with their suburban oven to give you a little bit more space with that glass enclosed viewing area. Deep drawers. And then your flush cover or cutting boards gives you two stainless steel sinks. Nice microwave. Overhead storage with the shocks that hold them up for you. Receptacles throughout. Good spot for a coffee pot. And then your 60 by 80 queen walk-around bed. Wardrobe space on either side, and they give you little nightstands, charging areas. That front window does have a shade. Queen bed does lift up. That is the box for your griddle, but you have good storage there. And then you'll see drawers down low. All your drawers are on roller glides. Good quality, very durable. This brand new floor plan for Rockwood 2205S. Located in Yorktown, Virginia, Dodd RV. Thanks for watching. Just want to take a minute and thank you guys for watching the video and subscribing to my channel. If you have not yet, please subscribe down low. I've got a lot of new campers, fifth wheels, motorhomes going on daily. If you have any questions or floor plans you'd like to see that I have not yet posted, let me know. I'll get those set up for you. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks again for watching. Scott Hudgens, Dodd RV. Again, we're located in Yorktown, Virginia. In business, family owned since 1956. Thanks again.